We're not in Asia and we're not in the US, but the wave of development of neobanks comes closer. And we're approaching the UK now, and likelihood is we are going to see an accelerated development in Switzerland. These institutions currently gather clients, but we do have the first institutions who have a 10 billion volume in mortgages. That is becoming relevant. We're at the size of a cantonal bank. But what is really decisive? What is decisive in this development is that established players realize their own vulnerability of their business model, and they realize what the future can look like. Because they can go to one of the neobanks and open an account, and they realize it's slightly easier, it's a different experience, as if they were to do it with their own bank. We helped architect a couple of the neobanks. To give some examples, Kakao Bank, Xinja Bank, that's Australia, and Discovery Bank, South Africa. And if there's one learning, then it's the following. The cost of building these institutions over past years has dramatically reduced. We speak about 10 million for the entire setup of one of these institutions, front to back, including all regulatory requests. And secondly, we see that it takes less than 10 months to build it. But what we've also learned is that based on that, we have substantially more cases for neobanking setups, also potentially in Switzerland. It's a race for customers in the end. If you do not have a feeder model that helps you to gain momentum in winning new clients for a long period, it's going to be difficult. So you need an automatism. Secondly, what you need to do is to understand the strength of your own value proposition. If it is free banking, it will not be sustainable. You need to embed it with purpose. Discovery Bank might be an interesting example for that. That is purpose-led because it's about financial health. And thirdly, we're entering bad weather conditions, and established players might have a longer breath to actually go through that.